we use a metronome. First off, we don't play it that way, but what I'm doing is I want my brain to understand where the beat falls. So I am aware that I put each tick on an eighth note count. So what does that mean? Well, here we go. Oops. So first of all, I see that we're in 3/8 time. So that means that this eighth note here is where the first tick falls. I know that the eighth note is worth the same duration as 2/16. In the counting system, you would say one and, but you don't play on the and. Here's beat 2, and there's beat 3. And then I like to think down to the next beat. All right, so therefore, with the tick, ba, 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 ba. In Gordon, do, 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 da, da, dee, da, do. Counting, 1, 2, and 3, and 1. Counting with all the 16ths, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1. Playing it with the count. Ba, 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 ba. Tick, 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 tick. Do, da, da, dee, da, do. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1. This rhythm comes back over and over again. So one option when you're practicing something like this is to perhaps play just that rhythm. Here I go. So you heard I kept that rhythm going. The other rhythm that you hear in this piece is this rhythm with the quarter note followed by an eighth note. Underneath, you've got that rhythm, so you know that this note falls with this rhythm on beat 3, and there's 2. And then the reverse happens in the next measure. So scan the music and look for any other rhythm. Well, here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, to 1. Do, to, da, to do. Ba, 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 ba. Add the trill after you've got the foundational rhythm. Now, if I look forward into the rest of this piece, I'll notice that that rhythm continues. So I would do with metronome in sections, getting that rhythm clear. Here it is with the tempo at the recommended highest. That doesn't mean you can't play it faster or slower, but this particular edition recommends this tempo as the fastest. A little faster. That's pretty lively. Now take that silly metronome off and now make it alive. perfect. And indeed, they weren't, because I was sight reading it. However, the rhythm is where the music lies. The pulse is where the music lies. As I begin to go deeper into this piece and get to know the notes better, my accuracy will go up. However, that rhythm, that liveliness, is what makes this piece so wonderful.